Happy Sunday morning. This is Brandon Campbell doing a video response on the previous video that I just done a couple of days ago about the General Motors strike and how things are going to pan out. Well, the truth of the matter is the Supreme Court years ago issued a ruling that anytime company employees go on strike, that company has the right to hire other people to replace them. And not only that, at the end of a strike, the employees that they hired during the strike also has a right to keep their job. As we move further and further to this next recession and automation start to get revved up, more and more people are going to be losing their jobs, it's going to be out of work, and begging and demanding that other people pay them a livable wage. My suggestion to you is consider starting your very own business, whether it be online, offline. You know, it was a comment on my last video that those people are making $15 an hour, don't get no paid vacation, don't get paid no time off, in which they rightfully so deserve that. Anybody that worked a job, somebody at least deserve that much. But why would you want to, for one, take a job that didn't offer that? You could probably make more money on the side cutting grass, fixing cars if you were a mechanic, and if you were an electrician or a tool and die maker, you could make twice as much. Maybe you are one of those and you would like to take your business online, but you don't know how. Well, if you just hit the bell, subscribe, the content I will be providing on this channel will help you to be able to do just that, because we're headed towards a major recession, and which is going to be worse than 2008. See, if anybody was watching back in 2008, the same thing was happening with GM before the government came in and took over. So now that the government took over, it's even worse. Don't just sit on the fence or stand by and watch this stuff happening. You know, in order to make yourself to be able to get past this next recession, you're going to have to set yourself up a part-time business, a part-time hustle or something, because jobs that's here today will be gone tomorrow. And as a matter of fact, just subscribe to my channel for daily updates on economics, what you can do to get yourself ahead of the game, and how you can build wealth, as I will have a special guest on here. I ain't gonna say no names, to give you more examples of why you should consider starting your own business, taking it online so that you can leave your job and be in a safe, secure place. You know, a lot of people from 2008 recession just now being able to bounce back, and a lot of them didn't bounce back, period. Don't let that happen to you. Have a nice day.